part of the playa here in Adeje. First day in Tenerife with a car. We're trying to head over to some tide pools, but the roads around here are crazy. We're in the middle of the mountains with a bunch of switchbacks. Wow. Back and forth, back and forth. We're up here above the clouds.
We're in the cloud layer now.
Oh my god.
It looks like the clouds are developing too.
Yeah.
Or at least ever since on the way in, but
Yeah.
man, yeah, now you can't even see them at all. Not barely.
Coming down a little bit out of the cloud layer. Scenic turnout. We're going to go out of the tunnel straight into a cloud bank.
Here we are right in the cloud.
Oh, and rain. Slow. Grand. Not good at all.